Alright, thank you for watching my video. I'm doing some more refinement, of course. Not much to say about that. Except that at some point here I turned off the wire display, which worked better in sculpt mode. Just the opposite of what I thought. I've been having the wire on display to make it easier just to see which vertices I'm manipulating in sculpt mode. But beyond a certain point, it gets to be a distraction from seeing the shapes that you're trying to make. I should probably apologize for my lack of clear enunciation. I'm not very good at that. Maybe I'll develop a skill. This was close to 3 hours worth of adjustment.